Greetings to everybody who might be watching this video. Today I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of those who have subscribed to this channel. I've hit 400. Before I left, my wife and I went to Bangor today, and I was at 403. And I got home and I'm showing that I've got 8 new subscribers, but I'm at 400. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but anyways, I hit the 400 mark, so I want to say a big thank you to everybody who has supported this channel. Like I said, this is going to be short. It's a beautiful day up here in Maine, 42 degrees. We're supposed to hit 60 degrees on Sunday. We're going to have rain with it, but 60 degrees. We haven't seen 60 since probably October, so I'm excited. I'll probably have a video on tomorrow, possibly the one next day. I'm going to be doing some planting again tomorrow. For those that watched the video when I planted the pansies, I think it was last Monday, or a week ago this past Monday, they're up. Quite a few of them are up. So that's good. A little bit early, but that's okay. I'll take that. So again, everyone, thank you so much. God bless you.